Title, description, and tags are crucial metadata for YouTube to understand the content of your video. If you use them correctly, then you can rank your video in search results and get millions of views. But most people don't know how to use them correctly and miss the opportunity to go viral. So in this video, we will learn how to write perfect title, description, and tags. First, talk about title. The title is one of the first things viewers notice after the thumbnail. It plays a crucial role in whether they decide to watch your video or not. You need to craft your title not only for the YouTube algorithm, but also for human viewers. Viewers should instantly understand what your video is about. So Rule 1, write a clear and concise title. For example, How to Grow on YouTube in 2024. Try to keep it under 60 to 70 characters. As the average viewer's attention span is becoming shorter, they scroll through YouTube quickly, not reading every title. A short and to-the-point title is more likely to catch their attention. Additionally, if your title is longer than 70 characters, it gets cut off on search results, making it less effective. In the suggested video section, titles are often cut after 50 characters. That's why even big creators like Mr. Beast keep their titles between 40 and 50 characters. Use the first letter capitalized like this to highlight your keywords in the title. That will catch the attention. 100 daily use of English sentences, 200 push-up, or 50 kill in PUBG. Do you have any clue what is common in all of them? Big number. Yes, my friend, big number in the title sometimes plays an amazing role in bringing curiosity to mind, and viewers gonna easily click on your video. I told you, you have to write title not only for robot but also human. So you have to play emotional game with viewers. For example, if you want to create fear of missing out, then titles like, "You need to watch this before it's too late," create a sense of urgency and fear of missing out. Ask them a question like this title: what happens when you stop using social media for a week? If you want to give a surprise or shock, then write title like, "You won't believe what I found out." Now let's jump over the description. People have different opinions about video descriptions. Some say it's okay to leave them empty, while others suggest writing something. But here's what YouTube says. Writing descriptions with relevant keywords can help viewers find your videos more easily through search. So it's always better to write descriptions. If you're lazy like me, just head over to ChatGPT and ask it to write a video description. ChatGPT will provide a perfect description within seconds. You can then copy the text and paste it into the description box. YouTube also recommends including keywords in the description. To find trending keywords, you can use tools like vidIQ. Just search the topic of your video, and it will give you a list of trending keywords. You can find more keywords using YouTube. Search your video topic, and here show popular keywords that people search. If you add an underscore first to your keyword, it will suggest more keywords. Then you can copy those keywords that are relevant to your video. Another useful tool is keywordtool.io. When you search your video topic there, it provides a list of relevant keywords. Once you have these keywords, here's what you should do. In the description, start by writing a brief overview of your video. After that, create a section for your queries where you paste those relevant keywords one by one. If you have permanent links to your social media that you want to include in every video, go to YouTube Studio, click on Settings, then Upload Defaults. In the description field, add all those links so they appear automatically in every upload. Also, adding chapters to your videos can be really helpful for viewers. Now discuss our last topic, tags. Many creators emphasize the importance of tags, and as a new creator, you might think they play a crucial role. However, YouTube itself says that tags play a minimal role. I even ran an experiment where I placed a random string of numbers in the description of one video and in the tags of another. When I searched for that string, the video with the numbers in the description showed up, not the one with the tags. This shows that tags don't really matter much. That said, YouTube still provides a box for tags, so it's a good idea to fill it in. You can add your channel name, common keywords related to your channel, and the keywords I recommended you include in your queries section. Proper SEO can help rank your video, but it won't increase views on its own. YouTube prioritizes videos not just by title, description, or tags, but by click-through rate and watch time. To rank higher, your video needs to keep viewers engaged. That's why creating quality content is essential. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.